Hey everyone, my name is Ryan Amir and welcome to my tutorial, how to use split view on a MacBook. You can also check out more of my tech and personal posts at ryanmamir.wordpress.com. Have you ever wanted to work on two things at once, like taking notes while watching a lecture but found switching windows too annoying? Today I'm going to show you how to use split view on your MacBook, a simple built-in feature that helps you multitask like a pro. So this is my desktop and we're going to start with any two apps we want. So for this video we'll use Safari and the Notes app. Your Safari app may pop up as a full screen, but you can just click the green button on the top left and make it windowed. We'll need that to resize our tab. So we could resize it, make it on the other side too by clicking that button. And then we can also fill it on the other side of the page like so. Now we can pick another app to fill the other half. For this, we'll pick Notes. We could work side by side just like this, but we're going to make it cleaner by doing what we did last time and hovering over the green button in the top left and then filling it on the other side of the screen. Well, would you look at that? It's on both sides of the screen now. Now you could use the Notes app and the Safari app. If you want, you could also change the layout to move the Safari app towards the left, just like so. There are lots of use cases you can use it for, like going on Canvas and taking notes while watching your lectures on another window. So, but for this, we'll go on the New York Times and just write some small notes in our Notes app. So just scroll through, find an article, and while you read the article, even though we can't read it right now because they make you pay for this, we could just write our notes as simple as this while also being able to read the article, so you don't have to click back and forth. It's perfect. You can scroll, type, or browse in both windows at once. The setup is awesome for writing notes while doing research or comparing files side by side. So what you want to do when you're done is move your cursor to the very top over the green button in the top left and just click on it so you can go back to full screen. And boom, there you have it. You now know how to enter and exit split view on your MacBook. And it's one of those small features that can make a big difference when you're juggling classes, assignments, or even just organizing your day. If this helped out, please like the video, share it with a friend, and visit my website for more helpful posts. Thank you for watching.